everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox Series X or S if it has like a green screen or something. So the first thing we want to do is just try to launch into the low resolution mode. So let's go to the Xbox button, just hold this down until our Xbox is turned off. Alright, once it's turned off, just flip it around and unplug it from the wallet. So stop blinking hopefully. And then once we have it unplugged, plug it back in about 10 seconds later. And then hold down the eject button. Now, if you don't have an eject button, just hold down the power button. So let's hold down the eject button. Hold down the power button right here. And continue to hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. So you should hear a second beep about 10 to 15 seconds later. And then your Xbox will shut off. So I heard that second beep. My Xbox is going to turn off. So maybe you have an issue with like the resolution, and this will just reset all those TV settings. So let's turn this on now. And then my Xbox should turn on. And it's going to be in the low resolution mode, and you'll notice in the low resolution mode because there's going to be giant bars on the top and the bottom that are black. And it's going to look like it's a lower resolution. As you can see, I have black bars, and then we need to go up to settings if we're good. And then go to a general TV display and up the resolution to whatever we have supported now. Now, another thing that we could do is put it into the troubleshoot mode. So go back to your Xbox, hold down the Xbox button, and when it turns off, let's flip it around and unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 10 to 15 seconds. Plug this bad boy back in. Now this time we're going to hold down the sync button and the eject button and then tap this power button. If you don't have the eject button, just hold down the sync button and tap the power button. So I'm going to hold both these down and continue to hold them down, and then tap the power button and continue to hold down the left buttons, the sync and the eject button. And you'll hear a beep, and this will launch into the troubleshoot mode. Now you're going to need a cable to plug in your controller, and then press the Xbox button to turn it on so you can operate this menu. Then go up to the top. And we want to go to where it says, oh, look at this, it's in low res mode still. Let's go to reset this Xbox. And we have two options. We have keep games and apps. So you could try to go into this one first. This will keep your games and your applications and just reset all your settings. And you're going to have to sign back in with your Xbox account. But that's fine. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we have remove everything. This will delete all the games and apps and redo everything. So just go to the top option here, and then you should be good to go with that. Now also look at your HDMI cables that you have plugged in. You could be using like an older HDMI cable. So if I just unplug this, try using a different HDMI cable, or take the Xbox end, flip it around, plug it into your TV or your monitor, and then take that TV end and plug in your Xbox and just completely redo this. There could be an issue just with this, but typically after you redo the settings or put it into the low resolution mode, you should be good to go. Or if you've completely factory reset it. Then under the troubleshooting mode, there was one more option for offline system update. So you go to your USB drive, and you could go to xbox.com/xbox1/offline update. You can't see because mine's in the low resolution mode. And then you could put everything onto this USB drive with the update, and you could just update your Xbox via that way. So you can see I already have this update file on here. I can just go over to it and select it now, and then it's preparing my Xbox for an update. So this will take about 10 to 15 minutes because it's a 6 gigabyte download and it's updating right now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.